when looking for the best travel items on Amazon. It really depends on your travel style, categorized for easier browse. However, there are some universally loved and highly rated items that consistently make travel easier and more comfortable. Here's a breakdown of some of the best travel items on Amazon. Look for ones with multiple compartments and a hanging hook. BagSmart is a top seller. Organization and packing. Packing cubes. A game changer for organizing your suitcase and maximizing space. Brands like Begale, Gunnix, and Amazon Basics are very popular. Travel toiletry bags. Organizers. Keeps your liquids and essentials neat and prevents spills. Travel cosmetic bags. Specifically designed for makeup and smaller toiletries, often with clear pockets. Cable organizer pouch. Prevents tangled cords for all your electronics. Travel cable organizer is a good option. Shoe bags. Keep dirty shoes separate from clean clothes. Gisalith. Handheld portable turbofan is often mentioned. Allows you to use your wireless headphones with in-flight entertainment systems that only have a headphone jack. This is a must-have to charge your devices in different countries. Look for ones with multiple USB ports. Ipica is a frequently recommended brand. Anchor Power Core Essential Series is highly reliable. Stanley Ice Flow is a popular choice, as are various hydro flask and simple modern options, tech and charging. Portable power bank. Essential for keeping your devices charged on the go. Universal travel adapter. If you're traveling internationally, these are fantastic for tracking checked luggage or even your personal bag if it gets misplaced. Don't forget AirTag holders to secure them. Apple AirTag. For iPhone users, these are a lifesaver for long flights, noisy environments, or just relaxing. Apple AirPods Pro and various Bose, Sony options are popular. Noise-canceling headphones, earbuds, whether over-ear or in-ear. Bluetooth headphones, adapter, e-reader. Lightweight and holds thousands of books, perfect for reading on planes, trains, or by the pool without lugging heavy physical books. Portable mini fan. A small, powerful fan can be a lifesaver in hot climates or stuffy situations. Airplane phone mount. Clips onto the tray table to hold your phone for hands-free viewing of movies or shows. Comfort and wellness. Travel pillow offers better neck support than traditional U-shaped pillows, making sleeping on planes or in vehicles more comfortable. Compression socks. Recommended for long flights to improve circulation and reduce swelling. Brands like Comrade are well regarded. Travel blanket wrap. A cozy wrap or small, packable blanket can be a lifesaver on chilly planes or for extra comfort refillable water bottle. Stay hydrated and avoid buying single-use plastic bottles. Look for insulated ones to keep water cold. Travel-sized toiletries, refillable bottles. Travel bottles are great for decanting your favorite products to meet TSA liquid rules. Mini first aid kit for minor cuts, headaches, or upset stomachs. Eye mask and earplugs. Essential for getting rest in bright or noisy environment. Safety and practicality. Portable luggage scale. Avoid overweight baggage fees by weighing your bags before you head to the airport. E-City is a common choice. Passport holder, travel wallet, keeps all your important documents organized and easily accessible. Travel door stopper, alarm, provides an extra layer of security for hotel rooms or Airbnb. Foldable, reusable bag. Great for shopping, carrying snacks, or as an extra bag for souvenirs. When shopping on Amazon, also consider customer reviews. Pay attention to the star ratings and read a good number of reviews, especially recent ones. Amazon's Choice or bestseller badges. These indicate popular and well-received products. Prime shipping. If you're a Prime member, fast and free shipping is a huge plus. Happy travels.